Hallo und willkommen. In this video, we will see the personal pronouns, personal pronomen in the nominative form. So let's begin. Ish, ish, which means I. It's first person singular when you're talking about yourself. Do, do. It's second person singular in the informal form. So whenever you are speaking to one person who is in front of you, let's say your friend or your family, someone you know very closely, you can use the do form. Second person singular informal. Moving on. Z, Z. So this is again second person singular, but in a formal context. So let's say you're speaking to your colleague or your boss, or you're at a doctor's appointment, or you're in a government office. Basically, you're addressing someone you don't know. So you will use Z, which is second person singular in the formal form. So third person is someone you're talking about someone who's not present with you. So third person singular masculine form, air, air. Neutral form, S, S. And feminine form, Z, Z, which loosely translates to he, it, and she. We say it air as Z. There is no formal, informal, because the person is not present. The air as Z form is used for both formal and informal. Please take note that this is for the singular form. Moving on to the plural forms. First person plural, we're, we're, which is we. Basically, in the context where it's you along with other people who are with you, we're. Second person plural informal form, ear, ear. So when you're addressing just one person who you know, you would use do. But if there are more than one, let's say there are two, three, four, and so on people in front of you, or you're addressing them, you would use ear, ear. Second person plural formal form, you would use Z. There is no change, it's the same word, Z. You can use this to address a panel of interviewers, multiple people at your office or workplace, n number of colleagues. Yeah. So third person plural Z. Z goes both ways, formal and informal. So basically, if you notice the difference, for formal, the Z, the S in Z is in uppercase, and for third person singular feminine form Z and the third person plural form Z, which is they, is in lowercase. The S is in lowercase. So whenever the pronoun starts with uppercase S, it's always going to be formal. However, the start of the sentence has to be in uppercase. So it differs from context to context. So the third person singular, male, female, and neutral form, er, z, and s, it's basically taken from there, thee, and thus, the articles of the nouns. So based on what noun you're using, you would use er as z. However, if you're talking about plural forms, then you would only use the pronoun z. You would not use er and s, regardless of the gender of the noun. I hope this helped. I'm going to link an article in the description of the video. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.